Imagine 5 years from now and you are sitting under the same roof. You are doing things that you don't want to do. You are doom scrolling. You are doing things that you don't want to do. You are not achieving the goal that you set it the target 2 years before. You are not living your dream life after 5 years. Hello, my name is Soumya Bhardwaj and today I'm here unraveling all the golden secrets in 2024 that you need to follow to improve your life in this year. 99% of the whole population all over the globe is motivated. They're inspired by people. They see all the self-help content. They read all the self-help books, but they fail to success because they don't use one power, that is the power of implementation. Only 1% of people all over the globe implement all these secrets that I'm gonna tell in this video that you can follow to make your life in 2024 and the upcoming years better. Coming on to point number 1, it is creating your mind, creating that mindset that would lead to success. So I heard a very good saying, that is, everything happens twice, once in our mind and once in real life. So before doing anything, just pre-plan it in your mind. Just do everything, every single thing in your mind. Just think it and do it. That is the ultimate truth that you have to follow to achieve that success in 2024 that you want to achieve in your life, because we all know small steps make success and they count and they help us achieving that big goal that we want to achieve. Point number 2 is time management. If you're not doing this, your every single effort goes in vain. And why am I saying this? Because I have faced this too. I planned every single thing, but not every time everything I was able to do. Why is this so? Because I didn't manage it according to the given time. What I did to improve this was planning everything a night before. Like if today is Wednesday and I have a to-do list and I have to do tasks on that day, that is Wednesday, so I will plan everything on Tuesday's night, that is the night before. And why this helps me? Because of the human psychology. Okay, you might have seen people that study during night. And why is this so? Because when you sleep, our mind is still functioning. It functions everything you read at night, and this is the main goal. This is the main strategy behind people remembering everything. So if you write it the night before, then your mind automatically hits that you have to do this, you have to do this in that particular day. And what I do is I just write everything at night, and in the morning, like if it is Wednesday, on Wednesday's morning, I'll go through what all things I have to do today, and at night I would just tick on the things I did, and I would put a small cross if I was not able to do that thing, and I would make sure that I would not repeat it again. I would do all my tasks from next day, and every single mistake I would write on the piece of paper, and I will see what I can implement and make and do it better. Number 3 is skincare. तो हम सब सुनते रहते हैं कि आपका माइंड में नॉलेज होनी चाहिए एंड यू नीड टू बी इंटरनली ब्यूटीफुल. अगर आप बाहर से सुंदर नहीं हो या आप वेल ड्रेस नहीं हो तो उससे कोई मतलब नहीं पड़ता. हमने ये सब बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, बट इट डज मैटर. इट डज मैटर एंड इट डज मैटर. अब आप कहीं पे भी जाओगे, यू वुड सी दैट अ वेल ड्रेस्ड पर्सन वर्सेस नॉर्मली ड्रेस्ड पर्सन में किसको प्रायोरिटी मिलेगी? अ वेल ड्रेस्ड पर्सन को. तो लाइक आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा फैंसी मेकअप करना है, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेसेस पहननी है, एंड आपको लाइक इफ़ यू आर अ बॉय आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक रिंग्स वगैरह पहननी है, ऐसा नहीं कह रही. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग यू नीड टू लुक पॉलिश्ड, you need to look grooved, and that's the main tip that I wanted to give you all, and hope this helps. And this may vary with skin texture, skin type. You can just Google it, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube itself that you can see and know your skin type and what moisturizer or face wash fits you the well. You need to have a skincare routine, and it's really simple. You need only 3 things for this: a face wash, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++. And this really helps for both girls and boys. On to point number 4, it is learning a high value skill. Now अब 2024 में ये नहीं कह सकते ना कि okay, I'm doing my schooling, I'm doing my household chores, I'm doing what my parents say to do me, and मैं बहुत अच्छा से रह रही हूँ या रह रहा हूँ. You cannot do that, right? You need to have a side hustle, or you need to have that one skill that is going to get you money. So there are many skills that you can do in 2024, like designing, web developing. You can learn coding, and coding is really important for kids to learn in 2024, as it would help you in colleges or in making application in freelancing, etc. And you can learn coding on many websites for free that is available on Google and YouTube, etc. I would give the link of those in the description. It would really help you out for free, and thank me later. Point number 5 is networking. This is one skill that would lead to success, and this would help you lifelong and would lead to a success evergreen. What do I mean when I say success evergreen? This means that it would help you in every field you go. Communication and networking are some things that would help you a lot in every field in your life, and also it would give you a great sense of opportunity and help you grow in every field you are. I would also share the link for networking and communication skills of some videos where you can learn them absolutely for free down in the description. And you can check them out, and it would give you a great sense of relief, and it would definitely help you a lot. And the 6th point is the subset of the 5th point, that is confident body posture. So if I sit like this, or if I sit like this, or if I sit like this, you would not probably like to talk to me. So we all know the first impression is the last impression, and if you meet someone new, you cannot have a close body posture like this. The person would not really like to talk to you. So you need to have a confident body posture to meet new people, to talk to new people, and create new networks. The 7th and the last point. तो हमने टाइम मैनेजमेंट कर लिया, हमने स्किन केयर कर लिया, हमने गोल सेट कर लिया, हमने अपना माइंड बना लिया, एंड हमने कम्युनिकेशन कर ली, हमने कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड कर दिया. नाउ व्हाट? द लास्ट स्टेप इज डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. आपको लिखना है, आपको एक डायरी बनानी है. हर रोज रात को या हर रोज मॉर्निंग में, जो भी आप प्रेफर करते हो, आपको उसमें लिखना है कि आज मैंने क्या किया पूरे दिन में. या आप ये लिख सकते हो कि आज मेरे को कैसा लगा, आपको क्या एक्सपीरियंस मिला उस दिन से, और आप क्या उसको अपनी लाइफ में कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे. आपको ये अपनी डायरी में लिखना है. एंड आई थिंक एंड आई होप कि आपको ये बहुत हेल्प करेगा, क्योंकि ये मेरे को बहुत हेल्प किया है. मैंने पिछले 3 years से, मैं एक डायरी है मेरे पास, मैं उसमें सब कुछ लिख रही हूँ दैट हैज़ हेल्प्ड me to grow, and आपको भी वो लिखना चाहिए, because it gives a sense of relief, a sense of satisfaction that you are doing good things in your life and you are stepping up every day towards your growth. That's all that I wanted to tell you guys today. That would really help in your 2024 journey, and you can also comment down below that what should I make next video on, and also tell me that which section of this video helped you in 2024 to grow. And for such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll meet you in my next video, which would really help you upskill yourself. Till then, happy learning and keep growing. Bye bye.